Judo, you better clean this mess. Look at this mess. Did you do this mess too? It was you, wasn't it? You. Ooh, yeah. Because you're in... Get over here right now. You're in big trouble. You little dog. Barking at me because you're in trouble. Chewing up your babies. Knocking all my stuff on the floor. You too, Lola. You sit, Lola. Sit. Look at this mess. You're bad? You're bad, huh? I'm going to spank you. Oh no. I'm going to spank you. I'm trying to get all lovey with me now. I'm not picking you up. I'm not picking you up. I gotta clean up your mess. Just sit. Judo. Oh, you're biting me? Oh, who did this, Judo? Did you do this? Did you do this? Did you? Did you? Get over here. Get over here right now. Get over here right now. Did Lola do it? No, it's Judo. It was Judo, wasn't it? Get over here. Get over here. You did it, didn't you? Come here. Come over here right now. Oh, what about Lola? Did you do that too, Lola? Did you make that mess, Judos? You did it. You did it. Bad little boy. He's naughty. There's Big Schnuz. Give me a kiss. Kiss your mom.